Take a picture of me.
You want a picture? I'm recording though, okay, honey?
That was me. I'm doing that.
There's a crab shirt on today.
Okay.
What did it say? It said pinch me and
Where is he?
No, I'm not taking a picture. Just recording. That's what the shirt
You're brave, Magenta. What? You're brave.
I am brave.
This is bigger.
Oh, I hate my picture taking.
No, she's taking a video.
Oh.
Don't worry.
Hi.
Wonderful.
Peekaboo. I hope you like my autographs.
I know.
Sydney.
Sydney. Like 30 minutes long.
Sydney who keeps talking to us.
Woo!
And then my sister.
Hi.
Just has to wait here forever until
Hi again.
For what?
Hi.
Not everyone's going to be staying over for
It
this.
was always really sweet.
Hey guys, can you all gather up together? I want to have an ending. Hey guys, gather in.
Everyone?
Wait, can I get in the splits? No. You have to all gather up in front of Digger and Care Bear.
Still there?
You too.
Oh, we have to get right here?
You have to get in the back. I can't be in the picture. Katie, hold it like this in front of you. Guys, get in the picture. It's not. It's a video. It's okay. Kira, you have.
Alright, we're all going to go in the tent to see. You guys can pick up all your own stuff so you can see if you can find an extra sock. It might be Lexi's.
Okay, bye. Use your camera.
Okay, thanks, honey. You want to say bye?
Bye.
Oh, bye.